Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. In this video, I want to show you a free note-taking app that can help you stay organized and on top of your to-do list. So let's get started. Use the free note-taking app, you will sign in using your Google account and then you will go to Google Applications and then open Google Keep. So Google Keep is a free note-taking app that helps you stay organized and manage your to-do list with voice memos, image and text recognition, color-coded labels. It's just easy to quickly find and organize your notes. Plus, it's sync across all your devices so you can access your notes from anywhere. So whether you're a student or professional, Google Keep is a perfect tool to help you stay on top of things. So Google Keep is very easy to use. You can start taking notes by just clicking here, take notes, and here you can just give an example of Excel demo, and here you can just type in a bunch of things. So this is a demo. You can put notes here, and then so for example, if you were taking notes and there was also an image that you wanted to add to these notes, you can certainly do that. You can add an image here. So I'll just hit this. So I have this table that I want to bring in here. So here we go. This will become part of this now. So we have the notes and we have the image here. Also, Google Keep have has like an AI built in already. So if your image contains like information, you can also kind of extract that from here. So what you can do is, because it has a Google AI built in, you can say that grab image text. So what this will do is this will process this image and grab all the text for you and kind of type it in here for you. It also have a bunch of other options. So you can add a label to this. You can add like Excel. I'll just call this Excel. You can add like other labels as well, but that's what I'm doing at the moment. And you can also add drawings. You can also make a copy. You can show check boxes. You can also copy this to Google Docs. So, for example, if you are done taking notes and this is it, you can copy this to Google Docs if you want to do that as well. You can also share this with other people if you like. So this is sort of like a collaborator, so you can add other people to these notes where they can also make changes to this if you like. You can also change the background. So these are a bunch of background options that are available right now. There's none. You can also choose, like if you want to choose this will become part of the background, or if you just want to change the color, you can just do that by just selecting the color. And here I'll just say no image, just a color. You could do that as well. So this is pretty cool. You can, so what I did now, that once I'm able to do this here, if you have like a mobile app for Google Keep, you can use, you will be able to see that here as well. So I'll just show that in this video as well, that when I was able to make edits here, my Google Keep app on my iPhone also show all these changes that were available. With Google Keep, you also have other options available like voice memos. So to do voice memos, you will just click on the little mic icon that you see, and it will start recording a memo or a lecture. And when it is done, it will ask you for a title. And when you give a title, it will automatically get synced with all the other devices that you're using. So this is how you use Google Keep on your mobile phone and on your computer. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.